Before installing or changing the blade on your Mopec Swordfish Autopsy Saw, always make sure the saw is turned off and the power cord is disconnected from any outlets. Using the T-wrench provided with your saw, turn the set screw counterclockwise to remove the blade clamp. Remove the old blade by pinching the blade on both sides and pulling off the drive shaft. Make sure the blade is seated properly on the square drive shaft. Using the T-wrench again, tighten the blade clamp by turning the set screw clockwise. Continue turning the T-wrench until you meet firm resistance. Then proceed with one additional quarter turn. You are now ready to plug in the power cord and use your Mopec Swordfish Autopsy Saw. At the end of every workday, Mopec recommends that every blade be removed, cleaned, dried, and safely stored.